Hey guys, a quick announcement. So you guys would have known that in my channel, Smart Trader channel, from years together, I've learned a lesson that I should always approve the comments, not to keep my comments open, right? So I approve the comments that day itself when I post, and if I forget, there will be no comments in that particular video. And any day if I go and approve those comments and ensuring there is no spam comments or no bad comments or anything, negative comments, I only approve the positive comments. You know that I always filter the comment to keep the channel neat and clean. That's how we have maintained this channel in a positive way. Only concentration is to learn. So that's how our channel has grown. Recently, yesterday, when we did the giveaway video, we just kept the comment section open because I cannot manually go and keep approving each and every comment because I know there will be a lot of comments coming. So we have 1,000+ comments, which is very beautiful. So I was going through these comments because it's kept open. I was going through comments and I just was liking and replying to few comments, and a lot of comments are there, so I used to reply and comment. Suddenly I came through these comments. Okay, you can see Smart Trader replying saying, thanks for your comment, right? My broker WhatsApp, huge Bitcoin trading for his strategies are top notch. He's really making me huge gains with the strategies in trading. And they're given some WhatsApp number also. Now this is a fake account. Now if I open these accounts, the account looks like this. There is 0 videos with my photo with the name of Smart Trader, and this is opened on 15th of March, just 10, 15, 20 days back. And there is one more account they have created in same way with one subscriber showing 12th of 2021. So there are so many fake accounts opened in which they are just changing the photo and the name, and they are commenting in such a way that people will think that okay, Smart Trader has replied. Now look at this. Arun's message, they have sent a fake comment. It will be a bot or an automatic message replying things. They'll be putting a bot and replying, and you see Arun understood it's a fake comment, or maybe he checked the channel and he got to know it's a fake reply. So he has sent yeah, right, and he has understood the concept. But I don't know, I know we don't trade in Bitcoin, so most of the people will get a doubt how come Smart Trader is talking about Bitcoin. But imagine some new member who's just learning trading. He will think, okay, Smart Trader is teaching Bitcoin also, so cryptocurrency, so let me also WhatsApp and get things done. So very important, I don't want people to get fooled around. This is one reason why I always keep for held for review. And in all the comments, I am sure in my every video they put a lot of links for Bitcoins and many other things, WhatsApp numbers, Telegram numbers, many fake things happen. So always ensure I go and manually approve, or my team members manually approve the comments, so that people don't get fooled or diverted in a wrong way. Our main concentration is to learn whatever I share. You guys see that is the main goal. Comments is just to understand the feedback, that's all. But a lot of wrong things are happening. Now imagine this person goes and comments on any other channel's videos, or he tells so and so information, and the person will think what is Smart Trader saying, why is he saying this, and people will create negativity in their mind thinking Smart Trader told this. So I have just replied to show the difference. If you see here, if I reply Smart Trader, it comes in this tick mark will be the Smart Trader tick mark with this black color, because I'm a verified creator. So therefore mine will be ticked like this. Those fake accounts whichever they create today or in the future also, it will look like this, without a tick, without a grade mark. So understand, these are fake accounts. I am manually removing this, saying hide user from this channel. Maybe in the future this channel can't put, but his so much comments is there, so I have to report it and keep removing one by one like this, right? So everywhere they have put on the old comments, everywhere it has automatically, you see here this channel has put a totally different WhatsApp number and saying invest and trade in cryptocurrency and especially Bitcoins. Look at this, we don't even trade in Bitcoins or cryptocurrency, but they are promoting that. If you remember, once our YouTube account was hacked, along with this Twitter accounts of Bill Gates and Obama, along with that in YouTube Karaminati's account was hacked by Bitcoin. Same way our channel was, when I was sleeping, you guys remember, it was hacked and channel photo was changed and asking to send Bitcoin money. Thankfully nobody did, because we don't trade in Bitcoin. But with the help of YouTube, I got my channel back and everything, and I think I have kept my channel secure. But now they are creating different photos and channel type art, same like art clone type of channel, and commenting and trying to fool people around. Thankfully we don't trade in cryptocurrency, but this is one reason why I keep my comments held for review. Only if I review the comments only it will come here, and such fake, a lot of fake things also come here, and a lot of links also has been sent by different people. I don't entertain such negative things. The reason why I'm sharing with you guys, don't get fooled with these things, and wherever if you see these type of wrong comments, please do let me know through our WhatsApp customer care number. You let me know, or in Instagram, just put a message saying in certain wrong channels they are just putting wrong information in the name of Smart Trader, so I can report that channel and close those channels. Okay, so do let us know. Don't get fooled. Obviously, I will not talk about cryptocurrency. Whatever is there you see in my videos only. I don't tell especially something in comment sections like that. So whenever I check my videos and I get time only, I will approve that day itself comments, and later I don't check my comments only because I have to create content. So we always create positivity. I always look front, I don't look back. And today when I was replying only, because I so many lovable comments have come to me, so I wanted to like them, I want to reply them. By chance I saw this comments. In case normally I don't check my old comments, there are more than 10-20,000 comments which I have to review. If I don't check all the videos comments, the oldest 2-3 years back video somebody comment, I won't even check. And if they send such type of messages, people get fooled, people get angry on me thinking I send this, or they get lost. If they lose money, they'll think I send this. So be very careful. Whenever you get some comment, go to the channel, click and check, is it a real channel, does it have any video, is it real Smart Trader, or generally I have a Smart Trader, I have a tick, so ensure my tick is there, then only believe in those things. Okay, so that is one main reason. Anyways, going forward, I will not open my comments and keep, just because it's a giveaway. I know whatever happens here, there is no much impact on us, just that the impact is on people who will get fooled. So that's the reason I wanted to tell you guys. Going forward, anyways, I will continue the same, how we kept the channel neat and clean. I will review the comments only and then put. Our main goal is to only learn, but don't get fooled with such Bitcoin hackers and spammers. So stay safe, trade safe. See you soon. Bye bye.